In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your GitHub profile link in your resume. So here's what you need to do. So if you've created a resume, you may have done it on Canva, you may have done it on Microsoft Word, you may have done it in a free tool which you happen to find online. It doesn't matter where you've done it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just add a link via Canva. Now you could go ahead and open it in Word if you've created your resume in Word, and you could add the link. But you do need a tool or a software to add the link. So I have my PDF here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open it in Canva. And then what we can do is we can grab our link from GitHub and then paste it on. So I'm going to open a new tab and I'm going to search for canva.com. If you don't have an account on Canva, you can create a free one. And what you can do is you can upload your resume to Canva, and then we can copy this link and add it. So I have my resume on my computer. What I'm going to do is drag it onto Canva. I've already logged into Canva. You can create a free account for Canva in seconds. Now we've dragged in the resume, we can go ahead and open it. And from here, what we can do is we can add a text box. So if you go to the text icon, you can click add a text box. And then what we can do is we can move this wherever you want it on your resume. So let's say it's going here, right? Now what we can do is go to GitHub, and once you've first logged into GitHub, you'll be on the home page. You want to go to your profile icon, then click on profile. Then you can copy your GitHub URL, and then you can go to your resume, which is opened in Canva, and you can double click on this, and then you can paste in the link. So there we go. And you can then move this wherever you want. Now you can also go one level further, and you can essentially link this so people can click on this link and it can go to your GitHub profile. How do you do that? Well, first you highlight the text box, you then click on the link button here, and then you paste in the URL again, and then click done, and then click done. Now this is going to be a clickable link, but it will depend on what file type we export it as. So to export this back onto your computer, you want to go to share in the top right hand corner. You then need to go to download, and you need to download it as a PDF. It will not work as a clickable link in any other file format. So choose PDF standard or PDF print, and then you can go ahead and click on download. And there you go, here is the resume. If we open it and click on the link, as you can see, it goes to GitHub. I hope that video helped. Thank you for watching.